Musamseleku nowadays, he makes sure that Macele is always being happy. She is getting everything she wants. Musamseleku buy an expensive house for Macele. The next is the expensive car. Musamseleku involve Macele on his businesses. Even Macele didn't contribute or to go to work. Macele is going to benefit more if Musamseleku passed away, because Macele is benefiting on Musamseleku's life insurances, on Musamseleku's businesses than other wives, because they sign in community of property, Musamseleku, Macele, and Mayeni. But other wives are not benefiting, Mangwabe and Makumalo. Mangwabe is better because she have got a house Musamseleku brought for her, but Makumalo is not benefiting anything. That's why you saw Makumalo doesn't want to involve Musamseleku on her businesses nowadays, even to involve Musamseleku on her mind, because she knows that anytime is tea time. At the time Musamseleku was sick, so they learn a lot of lessons. Even Mayeni, she is saving her own money, but Mayeni, she can benefit than Makumalo and Mangwabe. So Makumalo, she is doing on her own. She is not that they are not being married in community of property with her husband Musamseleku. That's why Musamseleku didn't contribute anything on Makumalo's house. He contribute more on Macele's house, because Macele was the one who is going to benefit. So other wives, sometimes when you are in polygamy, sometimes you are helping other people to grow their businesses, to be in better lives. If it was not Makumalo who helped Musamseleku to grow their business, I don't think that Macele was living a luxurious life. Sometimes you can be a slave in someone's life. They are being enjoying your sweat with their wives. It's like the way Makumalo did. Now Makumalo thinks that she have to do for herself, because she can't do for herself. She is doing for Musamseleku and his wives. Musamseleku can have got a sweat for Macele, can do anything for Macele. He signed in community of property with Macele. That's why Macele is very relaxed. She is not going to work, because Macele, her name is on Musamseleku's businesses. Those businesses is on Macele's name, other on Mayeni's name. So it's very difficult, guys, to other wives, Mangwabe and Makumalo. That's why Mangwabe started acting in such a way, doesn't care about Musamseleku. The way Mangwabe started acting strange on season 6, Mangwabe and Makumalo found out that they are not being in serious marriage with Musamseleku. Their purpose is to give Musamseleku's kids. That's why Makumalo and Mangwabe, they were asking Musamseleku and Macele at therapy sessions about that issue, because they know that they are not going to benefit anything on that marriage. So Musamseleku, he can do anything for Macele than other wives, especially Macele, except Makwela. We don't know about Makwela, because guys, those two people, they learn a lesson, Musamseleku and Macele. At that time, Musamseleku was admitted at hospital. Macele told Musamseleku that he have to involve here in some of other businesses in search of life insurances, what if he passed away. So guys, the other wives are beneficiaries, other they are not going to benefit, because we are going to see a lot of drama if he passed away, that sometimes you can being used by a person for many years. You have got kids with that person, but you don't have anything. Other wives are benefiting. Guys, if it was not Makumalo, yes, Makumalo meeting Musamseleku, he was already, he have got his money. But Musamseleku doesn't not know how to run a good business without Makumalo. Makumalo was the one who was helping Musamseleku, but the person who is enjoying his money is Macele more than other wives. To Mayeni, he can do something for Mayeni. Mayeni, when she asks many times, but when it comes to Macele, Musamseleku can do something for Macele without being questioned.